All right, folks. We got 2023 Kia here, and they're all basically the same-ish. We changed the wipers on it. What you're gonna do? I've never tried this with door open, so I don't know how it's gonna work. You take the key, turn it on, get your little ding ding dings, hold the wiper switch up. When it goes up, you let go of it. Now your wipers are up, so you change your wipers on it. We're gonna do a couple of tips and tricks here. I'll raise my camera up here. Okay. I just did the oil change on this. One of the things I do every oil change, I pull the air filter out, which it's literally right there. It can be a pain in the ass to get into sometimes and get it out. It's one of those deals where it has to be just perfect to come out. And car has 60,000 miles on it. And still original air filter. What I do is I come over, get my air hose, reverse direction, get your air line on. Blow it out the way it comes in, folks. Blow it out really good. Again, we're blowing it out the way it comes in. It comes in this way, so we're going to blow it back out that way. Get rid of the crack. Give it a quick blow off. When you do an oil change in a car, leave some evidence that you've been there. I wipe that stuff down. I give it a cleaning. Make sure you lock these. I use AquaCharge. It's concentrated. I buy it on Amazon. I'll post a link for it down below. I don't know why that's open. Blow down your engine. Ready? Now we're not doing this cleaning. We're just wiping off some of the dust in here. Cleaning it up some. I live on a dirt road. Dusty. I live out here in the sticks, so yeah, just when you're in here, give it a good foot on it. Get the leaves out from in the area here. All the weeds. What I like to do is I take some Dawn here as soon as I find it. It's a little bit of Dawn and water. Get a couple of splashes. Oh, here it is. Here's my cleaner. We're just gonna give it a good little wetting here. Nice little cleanup. Just because she doesn't take good care of the car doesn't mean I don't want to do the services on it. It's probably about the only time it's clean. I don't clean the inside of a car. That's not my job. I don't get in it. And like I said, we're just doing a good spray. We're going to clean our windows afterwards anyway, so we're going to get a good spray. Try to get some of this debris off of it. For Christmas 2 years ago, right after she bought this car, I gave her glass cleaner, wipes, well, paper towels and all that good stuff. And she never even opened it. So we're just giving it a blow off now. Like I said, it's not clean spotless, it's just getting off some of the heavy debris. We want the engine to breathe. Clean up the grill here. Make sure blow fans around. Just real quick, that's all. I got a squeegee while I do the windows, but go ahead and fill up the windshield washer. We're going to check the coolant levels. Looks a little low. With this blue charge stuff here, it depends on the car and how much blue stuff I put in it. Where I live here, we usually add a little extra. Customers' cars coming in, it ain't gotta be as such a heavy mixture. But it don't have to be nowhere near as hard, as strong. I just run extra here. Check your brake fluids, check your coolants. Looks like my coolant might be a little low. I'll go back and check the oil down since I had time to sit. Alright, just start up and let it run for a little bit. Oil's good. We can go ahead and shut the hood. Okay, as for wipers, kids' wipers can be a pain in the ass. One wiper is a different size from the other. Now we got it up. We're going to see exactly what we're going to do here. Okay, it just split out. That's pretty impressive. We run good wipers normally. The wipers that were put on from the Pet Inspection Center where we got done last year because they were bad. Otherwise, we normally run Rain-X. Check your measurements. These are 24. And they look a little shortish. Maybe he didn't have the correct ones put on. I can't remember, it was too long ago. Okay, that one's not the right one for that one. And I don't think he had the right wipers last time, but let's check. We're gonna mess with this here. I'm beginning to think that these are not the right wipers for it. Oh. You're gonna think these are not the right wipers here, folks. That clip's wrong. So it looks like she got me the wrong wipers for it this time. So she's gonna have to go ahead back and get the right wipers for it. But or these are the wrong wipers in the box. But we always run normally we run Rain-X on our cars. The oh, there's another clip in there. Hold on. See, this one has another clip in it. No, there's another clip in that one. Nope. Looks like somebody broke the clip off and put it back in there. I think somebody done bought these and replaced them. That's what I'm thinking. Yes, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so these wipers go back. At least now you know what you gotta do with the switches. You gotta go ahead and replace them. I despise these wipers. I will double check though. I don't know if I like the way these hook in. No, they're not the right. Nope, they're definitely not the right wipers. So she's got to get that fixed. Get them exchanged out for the right ones. They're just not it. And if you're not changing them, take your rag, just go down the wiper like this, get all the debris off them. Maybe get a little squirt of cleaner on it. What that does is it gets moisture, gets any debris off of it. That one's good-ish. Yeah, that's the one she has to replace. they don't last very long. Give it a quick clean. Now, to engage the wipers back and down, just turn the key and like that. Never leave the key in the car with your windows up. You might end up paying for a locksmith. Again, it's Aqua Charge. And I'll get you a link down below. Later, folks.